Here's how to complete Comet AI browser play Discord cast. First is on the Discover application, click on the apps option and then underwards click on the cast. Afterwards, you will be able to see on this page. Now what you need to do is to scroll down until you see there the Comet AI browser playcast and click on cast accepted. And then afterwards, go to the Google and search for the Comet AI browser, and then you will be able to direct on the page of the Comet AI browser. Click on that. After clicking on that, what you need to do is to sign in so that you can automatically go ahead and relocate this with your Discord. Make sure that the email that you are going to use is the same email or number that you use to your Discord account. Afterwards, go back to your Discord and you will see there that the cast percentage has been already updated. That means you have already successfully do it.